practice using the trigonometer to take all 6 trigonometric ratios of a given angle. Let's use 143 degrees for example. So I'm going to move my angle to 143 degrees, which is right around there. Our sine value looks to be right around zero point 0.6. Our cosine value looks like it's around negative 0.78. Our tangent value looks like it's around 0.76. However, we are in the second quadrant and our key tells us it's negative. So this is going to be around negative 0.76. Our cotangent value also is going to be negative because we're in the second quadrant, and it looks to be somewhere between 1 and 1.5. Let's call that negative 1.3. Now for secant and cosecant, I'm going to have to extend the extender here. Secant is the distance from the center till the intersection point along x equals negative 1 in this case. And this key tells us that we're going to have a negative secant value. So our distance using these tick marks up till here is 1. That's 1.1, that's 1.2. 1.3 is a little bit past, so it's going to be somewhere between 1.2 and 1.3. Let's call it 1.28. But of course, that's going to be a negative 1.28. Now for cosecant, it is going to be the distance from the center to the intersection point along y equals 1. And this tells us that we're going to have a positive cosecant value. So here's 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. It's somewhere between 1.6 and 1.7. Let's say that it is 1.65. And that is how we take all 6 trig ratios of 143 degrees. So let's